2 headphones, 2 sound experiences. Find the one that feels right every day. Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In today's video, we're comparing the Soundcore Space 2 and Nothing Headphones A to see which one comes out on top. From sound quality and noise cancellation to comfort, battery life, and smart features, we'll cover the key differences to help you find the perfect pair. Let's dive in. Comparative analysis. The Soundcore Space 2 features a lightweight, comfort-focused build with soft cushioning and durable plastics designed for long listening sessions, while the Nothing Headphone A brings a more premium, transparent design with a sturdier feel and standout aesthetic identity that looks modern and unique. The Soundcore Space 2 delivers a bass-forward, energetic sound profile with EQ customization for flexible tuning, while the Nothing Headphone A offers a more balanced, detailed sound with clearer vocals and tighter instrument separation for a refined listening experience overall. The Soundcore Space 2 provides long-lasting battery life with fast charging and stable Bluetooth connectivity for everyday use, while the Nothing Headphone A also offers strong all-day battery performance with efficient power management and smoother multi-device switching across devices. The Soundcore Space 2 includes app-based controls, EQ customization, and multi-point pairing for practical everyday use, while the Nothing Headphone A enhances the experience with a more refined software ecosystem, adaptive controls, and deeper device integration features overall. The Soundcore Space 2 was launched in April 2026 with a starting price of approximately $129.99 USD, positioning it as a value-focused ANC headphone. In comparison, the Nothing Headphone A launched in March 2026 with a starting price of $199 USD, targeting users seeking a more premium design and feature set. The Soundcore Space 2 is ideal for users who want affordable ANC, strong bass, and excellent battery life for daily listening and travel, while the Nothing Headphone A is better suited for those who prioritize distinctive design, balanced sound quality, advanced features, and a more premium everyday listening experience. Technical specifications. Like, share, and subscribe. Gadgeto Lab has plenty more smart tech comparisons and reviews coming your way, so don't miss what's next.